Lover got caught, shit was about done. Last nigga I caught, he really got punished. First day back, you bought me the butt. So you know how to cut with the fuck. What you doing, no running. She came and I fluffing. These drinks are thing. Now I need me another. So you don't got ass, I really hit your rip my shades in the best. I bet you can't believe I be smacking the ass. We got 2 for the 40, so talk about cash. Got the blood in my dip with the drink in my bag. Grills keep. I reload my bag. Nigga, everybody, first I got caught, nigga, everybody. I was looking for bag. I be sitting on jump in the corner, that nigga low head got. Keep talking about stop, nigga, select got. It's just me and my pen, ain't no so. Try to hop on it, anything else got. 2 more with the house of the judge. You keep saying my name, I think you will cut wherever I see you on key, you get dropped. That love me shot, chop cap, this so chop me the chop. That shit can't stop. And I'm right on they block. Whatever creek you want to take it as, nigga. Fuck everybody, nigga. What you talking about? Hey, MG for LJ. Yeah, MG for LJ. Let me run it back for you. Woody. You gotta listen to what I say. Raw. I be wiping down blocks, I be sitting on jump with the cool, that nigga low head got popped. Keep talking about stop, nigga slack got stopped. It just me and my pit, they know it's a lot. And this dumbass got rocked 2 more with the house till the judge free top. If you saying my name, you think you will cop wherever I see on key. That left me shot, chop cat, this so chop me. All that silly been in that shit getting stopped. Take a tour on no feast and I'm right on it. Take a trip uptown, I'm right on the street. They keep saying my name cause they know about this P, they know about my feet. I be cracking all ops and clearing out the streets. It really ain't nothing. Lover got caught, shit wasn't about none. Last nigga I caught, he really got punished. First day back, you bought me the butt. So they know how I'm coming. Where the fuck is you going? We ain't doing no running. This drinking, I'm done. This drink to a thing, just call me a B, now I need me another. But we got us a runner. I'm the one jumping out, making niggas take cover. So you don't got an ass, I already hit your rip in my shit. I bet you can't believe I be spanking their ass. We got 2 from the 40, so don't talk about. First of all, I got called this dumbass crash for that shit on the station. I was looking for bags. I be sitting on junk with that cool, that nigga low head got popped. Keep talking about stop, nigga slack. I stop it, just me and my pit, they know it's a lot. And this dumbass got rocked 2 more with the house of the judge. You saying my name and you think you will cop wherever I